Welcome to the 2025 Complete Reference Guide for the Earned Income Credit, or EIC. This video will cover who qualifies, how much you can get, how it's calculated, and the relevant income limits. Our source is IRS Publication 1040 for use in preparing 2025 returns. The EIC is a refundable tax credit for working people with low to moderate income. Since it's refundable, it can put money in your pocket even if you owe zero tax. The investment income limit is $11,950. The maximum credit ranges from $649 for 0 children up to $8,046 for 3 or more children. These tables show the EIC parameters for different filing statuses and number of children. Note the higher phase-out thresholds for married filing jointly filers, allowing them to keep the credit longer at higher income levels. The EIC calculation follows a 3-phase curve based on earned income. First is the phase-in, where the credit grows at the phase-in rate. Next is the plateau, where you collect the maximum credit. Finally, the phase-out is where the credit shrinks until it reaches zero. This chart illustrates the EIC by earned income for single, MFS, and head of household filers. As the number of children increases, the maximum credit is higher, and the overall curve is wider, meaning the credit phases out at higher income levels. Here is the EIC by earned income for married filing jointly filers. Compared to single or head of household filers, MFJ filers can keep the credit at significantly higher income levels, which is a major advantage. This table provides sample EIC amounts for single and head of household filers at representative income levels. The dashes indicate that the income exceeds the limit for that number of children. Here are the sample EIC amounts for married filing jointly filers. You can see how MFJ filers maintain the credit at higher income levels when you compare this table to the single or head of household table. The EIC has several eligibility rules. You need earned income, but your investment income must be $11,950 or less. You and your children need a valid Social Security number. You cannot claim EIC if married filing separately in most cases. Age restrictions apply only if you have no qualifying children. Finally, you must be a U.S. resident and not claimed as a dependent. These are the EIC income limits where the credit reaches zero for different filing statuses and child counts. The boxes below highlight the MFJ advantage, showing the additional income MFJ filers can earn before the credit disappears compared to single filers. To summarize key takeaways, the EIC is refundable, and more children generally means a higher maximum credit. The calculation follows 3 phases: climb, plateau, and phase-out. Married couples keep the credit at higher incomes. Investment income over $11,950 eliminates the EIC, and always verify with irs.gov or a tax professional before filing.